Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know all the things set. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today, but you know my style. One bagger and the one I gotta continue giving daily updates on the people you see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch it. And so let's just kick it off with Phillip PaulWell because his baby mother and daughter, obviously, who passed away in September, they had their memorial today. You see me, I say. They said they saw the picture on, the person that did the floral for Phillip PaulWell. Guessing. You see it. This is a sad situation. I still can't believe the two hitmen that confessed to this thing only got like 7 years or whatever. You feel me? Makes me believe what them really are doing with Vibes Cartel. You see what I say? Because this act is far more heinous from the ones that they're accusing him of. You see what I'm saying? Nevertheless, I'm not saying to take a life is right, but come on now, people. I was really expecting something more. You see what I said? That's why I can't really get my hopes or faith in this justice involved for justice for these two people. You know what I mean? I'm only two people left to convict, guilty or innocent. It's Leota Bradshaw and, her family member that's accused in masterminding this thing. You see me, I said they do back in court in March. But I'm just giving an update from what I'm going for them to go on, putting out the comment section what you think about that. And now Chris Tufton and has responded to the American who said, she couldn't wipe herself in that place because there was nothing there and the staff members was rude and all of these things, and they can't press pause on the screen and read what she wrote. They see me, I say, right now she about to talk up the things then because they're trying to make her look like, a spoiled American brat. You see me, I say, putting out the comment section what you think about that, but you know what I mean? She's saying that they was very unprofessional and rude, you know what I mean? And didn't want to give her things then when she wanted to leave. So let's hear what she's saying and then we'll proceed.
So now it's a bunch of bitches coming forward on the internet who was in there with me, who got all this shit to say. Like, girl, you ain't say not one word to me in there. Now you want to come on here and do all this and all that. At least everything I said in that motherfucking facility, I said online. Straight up. And then on top of that, like, I got bigger fish to fry. The fuck? I still gotta heal. I have the shit standing up. I can't burp, fart, fucking sneeze, cough, breathe too fucking hard. None of that. Fuck, I still can't even wash normally. Like, it's a whole thing. Yeah, like, fuck on my face. Like, never fuck about none of that goofy ass shit. You could have said that when you seen me. And I really think that they judging me based off how the fuck I speak. Like, I can't judge them off of how the fuck they speak and the tone in which they speak and how their culture is. Like, girl, this is how the fuck we talk. This is how I talk. This is my dialect. You feel me? The fuck? Y'all talk how y'all talk and want everybody just to fucking get with the program, then do the same then. Fuck is you mean? Niggas want to get mad because I'm saying the term pregnant bitches. Okay, pregnant women. Same thing. It's not. Y'all want to take it however y'all want to take it and ignore the how cultures can differentiate until it kind of y'all, and then everybody just supposed to just know what the fuck is what with Jamaican shit. Like, fuck out of here. That's fine. That's fine. Judge me on whatever the fuck you think. Whatever. I don't give a fuck. But what you're not gonna do is sit here and act like I was in there terrorizing shit. Because that didn't happen until my back was truly against the wall and I really felt like my safety was on the line and I couldn't trust shit that was going on in there. So say what it really was. If you was there, say what the fuck it really was. Because I was in that bitch on eggshells like a scared slave the whole time. The whole time, not trying to fucking annoy or bother nobody. I said that multiple fucking times out fucking loud since you was listening and minding my business so much. I'm sure you heard me say that too. I'm a CNA, GNA. I understand how shit go. I'm not trying to be a nuisance. I just need clarity. I need understanding. All that. Fuck out of here. You feel me? Everybody want to say what the fuck they would do or this, that, and the third, man. Yeah, alright. Put yourself in another fucking person's shoes. How about that?
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that. So just a reminder, we're gonna see the video in question with her, talking to these people. You see me, I say, but I blurred out for obvious reasons, but you still can get the picture.
hold on. Where you want this to go?
I gotta use the bathroom.
Yeah, this is not going to the bowl. This cannot go in the bowl.
I need something to wipe, but I have to use the bathroom right now.
Yeah, but you need tissue.
I've been asking for tissue since I've been here. I've been asking for tissue since I've been here.
Yeah, but this is not.
And there's still no tissue in any of the bathrooms. I've been asking for tissue since I've been here. I've been asking for tissue. No one's giving me any tissue. I also need another diaper. I need another diaper and I need some tissue. I've been asking for tissue since I've been here. Now she mad because I'm using paper towels. What else am I supposed to do? Can I have a diaper, please? This shouldn't be like pulling teeth.
This is. We don't provide those personal things for patients.
How am I supposed to know that when I'm not from here?
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Okay, so somebody should have informed me.
Now, dancehall Empress Amari the Barbie is speaking about the viral video you see in front of you. You see me, I say, because I posted it earlier today, as well as RT Bars, and you know, the comment sections was flooded. You know, RT Bars have a new song, Ben Ben, that's burning up the streets. Man, I lie, people, the song bad. You know what I mean? But like I said, the RT Bars posted a video with Amari dancing to it, and the people them have flooded the comment section. And you already know how the things said. The people them, some of them is concerned, some of them is, you know, shaming, you know, for Amari for looking like a Barbie doll. You see me, I say. So she's come to address, you know, those people. And, you know, she talks about other stuff too, you know, how she was kidnapped. And, you know, the Gaza beating that got on in Jamaica when females leave the camp. You know what I mean? You know she ain't sick of this split, so she just wants to be safe and things. But enough of me talking. Let's hear what I'm going for that to go on, and then we'll proceed at the end.
So we're here, guys. You know, getting the IV done, and luckily I came. They say that I'm totally dehydrated. So I want to thank you, Instagram. Thank you, RT, for making sure that I get my IV today. Yeah, these things are very costly. But if I don't do my IV, I could die. Yeah, could die from dehydration. So far, you know, they have pierced me and they're about to hook me up. Because when you do this surgery, you don't get to drink enough water, and you know you're supposed to drink like 6 to 8 glasses of water daily, and I can't even properly drink one. So that's what's up. Where's RT? I see your video going viral. Did you get your money's worth, darling? Yeah. Me and RT cool, but I'm about to ban him. If you ever come back on my page and address these guys looking you, I don't really care. You won't be allowed back on my page, manager or not. I think it's rather distasteful. But other than that, you're a wonderful co-host. No, if I don't give trouble, it's not Amari. So RT, the rule is from now on, I don't want to hear about nobody who have interest in your ass. I don't care. Okay? And as long as you stick to that rule, we got a good thing going on. I went on your page, darling, and I see you got some bitches on your page. Ass look fake. And trying to use them to promote ban. And nobody cares. You had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 the most likes, because nobody cares. And then I see you post me and my goody body. I'm so proud of it. I love my body so much that right now I'm not care about what I have again. Spider webs, flabs. I don't care about nothing. May I show off this body up online, because at least it bring in money to help me to complete the journey. So the after two, you go on RT page. What's the name of the page, Desi?
RT Boss Official.
No. Is it? RT Boss Official? Yeah, I guess he talked to me from another page. But if you go on the page, you'll see me there, and I love that body. If you want to comment and gimmick me, I don't care. I love my body. RT say I got a dolly body. I am officially Amari DJ Mona Lisa. Again? Veteran dolly. It's nice to hook up with RT and come I get the Jamaican words, I get back the Jamaican vibes, and I'm gonna bring me to check out the Jamaican parties. I'm also getting my IV because I'm about to travel to Jamaica. RT do keep his promises, and I watched that. I noticed that he's a man of his word. So far, so good. I'd like to go to Jamaica, and I'd like to record some songs, and I will be more than happy if you bring me to the ghetto to visit the children. I was coming just now, and I started to cry because I really want to see the children of Jamaica more than anything else, and I want to have my own Sting in Jamaica. I'd like to be in Jamaica at the same time Sting is going on, and if possible, do a show on the same night, because I really want to teach them a lesson. Please, RT, if we could have a show going on the 23rd, you understand, and let it just take over the entire internet, that would be so wonderful, because I just posted the video in regards to how they treated me on Sting, and that's just a part of the video. You wouldn't want to see the rest. As a matter of fact, I don't think Instagram would allow me to post that video, because it's a lot of violence in regards to it. Little Amari, these big heavy men, they were just pounding on me, and some people think that it's reasonable for them to pound on me because they feel like I came to Sting and didn't act appropriately. But I hope you eventually understand, everything about life. You don't treat an artist like that, just because she's by herself. You never treat an artist or treat anyone that way. I don't want to touch down on the topic of, men treating women that badly in Jamaica. I don't want to touch down on it yet, but I guess everything happened to me for a reason. But I bet you if it was not a fellow Jamaican artist, they would not have treated that individual like that. But like I told you, I was a part of Gaza, and after I fell out with Sika, I knew that certain things would happen to me. I'm lucky to come back from Jamaica alive, and I still believe that they still want me dead, because I've seen where a lot of people that were members of Gaza, a lot of artists, when they go against them, even a lot of females, there's a video on YouTube, they get beaten up like man. Big lick, kick, everything, in dark alleys and so on. I want to bring an awareness to it. One day I'm going to play the video here, but I don't blame the entire thing on Gaza. I blame it on the people of Sting, because believe it or not, the security guards are owned by Lang. I believe he has a security guard company. Those are his people. And it doesn't take a lot. I'm not about money. All I really need is an apology and an awareness for them not to ignore it. And please tag Leng so that he may see it, an awareness of how these artists, how I am treated. I can't speak for everyone, although I represent everyone. I'd like to bring an awareness to it. Trust me, these female artists go through a lot. Macadam and all these artists. Macadam is a veteran. She'll let you know she go through a lot. They sex off the beautiful artists in the reggae industry. And, the thing about Amari, I have to make it big, because I've been saying things for a long time and no one seemed to be hearing me. Because even my story in regards to being kidnapped at Tufton studio is being totally ignored. I just don't understand how a little girl went to Tufton studio, which is Bob Marley's studio. I went there to make my dream come true. And I just don't understand how it's not being picked up by any media sources in regards to them kidnapping me for 1 year. 1 year, a little girl raping me continuously and refusing to allow me to go home, and I don't know what's going on in Jamaica. Some people don't just want to talk about other people because they feel like they're too big. But recently in America, no matter how big you are, people are speaking out, and people need to speak out in Jamaica. When I was kidnapped at Tufton Studio, I was only about 12 years old. And, it's sad. I didn't get to go to school, and my grandma didn't know where I was. The police didn't try to find me or anything. And, I really, I keep saying I want to be dancehall queen, but I think what I really want to be is the voice for many people that are going through a lot. Yeah. Let's not make this boring. Yeah. It's not, there's a time and a place for everything. But I'm waiting for my drip, and the drip will also help me to travel. Let's see if RT is serious about me traveling to Jamaica. I believe that he is, but nowadays me no make nothing frighten me because people are full of disappointments. But I believe that he's serious. But only thing, if anything changes, me is the reason, okay? Because Amari have a way about her. When she sit down and think and do the arithmetic, she be like, "Am I go to Jamaica for? I can't go to Jamaica because of Christmas. I go to Jamaica because of Christmas. Hearty, how much you gonna pay me?" Yeah, that's it. Amari always fuck things up because it comes down to how much you gonna pay me. Because I need to do my therapy. My iron infusion is over $1,000 per infusion. You get, and I'm not talking about this one. I'm talking about my iron infusion, and I have to spend to take care of my body. I got to get my injections every month. You're talking about another $1,500. I got to pay for all these things. I got to pay for my beauty. So I'd hate the word beauty. I just want to be me. So RT, just know that at the end of the day, Amari's going to say, "How much you going to pay me?" Make it happen. Make some event. One thing you can rely on, I will sell out that fucking show. I'm good at that. I have loyal fans. You get what I'm saying? And I'm going to present myself. Just like Queenie. One thing with Queenie, when she's stepping out, she fucking represent. I was watching her performing right now, and trust me, I like to see Queen Lady Gangster perform, but I do not intend to perform everywhere. Because number one, I'm not strong. I am weak. And number two, I'm still sick. Every little thing, I have to sit down. That's why I sat down on Sting. I can't stand up for long because of the damages to my body, and Sting make it worse. I am sick physically, so the fewer show I do is the better for me. I personally, could see myself doing the most 4 shows per year, but for me, the other day it was just 1 show per year, Sting, and that's it. But I don't even think Sting is a show; it's a puppet show, and that's what's up. Yeah, they trying to look bougie and all, but they ain't shit. Last week they flopped like fuck. But me and Queenie saved the day. They ain't shit. You should see the last part of the show. It was garbage. Yeah. I talk people around here when they know good. Yeah, but with RT, I'm because of these bitches, I've gotten super tough. I gotta get some money Zell to me. I would like RT to say, Mona, I want you come to Jamaica. I want you record an album for me. Something. And let's talk. I want you shoot the video. I want you to do 2 events. And let's talk. And I said, okay, send me some money up front and you got me for a whole month. Something like that, you know? So once I make my point clear, because I intend to suffer no more. And you know those motherfuckers that put their hand on me on Sting, you shall die. I swear. Because every man, I came on the internet and I said men that sleep with me, they eventually die. But the truth is, the ones who put their hands on me, they always end up dead. The man who kidnapped me, I went to Jamaica, right? And I was talking to this young girl. And she said to me, do you know so-and-so? And I said, yeah. And she says, he's dead. And that happens to be the man that kidnapped me. His name is Rats and Bats. He's dead. And then she said to me, do you remember White? And I said, yeah. When I escaped from that man after a year, the guy who helped me to escape kidnapped me too, dead. You understand? And she started to name out all these people dead. And I say, wow, I'm truly anointed. Everyone that ever put their hands on me, dead. I went to Jamaica, and when I landed in Jamaica, Colin just started to beat me up. He was like, give me some pussy. And I was like, come on, man, you can't talk to me like that. You understand? I'm your girlfriend, but that don't give you the right as I land, with your dirty self. You ain't even bathed or nothing. You just want to jump on top of me. All I ask for is a little respect. And he was like, hey, girl, give me some blood clot pussy. And then him give me some blood clot lick. And I ain't saying nothing. By the time I come to America, go to Africa, I hear dead. Bob, oh my gosh, he beat me left, right, and center with his mouth, talk bad about me, scan.
Yes, the undisputed dancer queen. People don't forget to go up on my Credible Boss channel, Dancehall Story. Check out what I go on for go on with the rest of the bagga. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I re-chat the latest. Bless.